Work the first row and chain together for a stretchy foundation. To make a foundation double crochet, we're going to begin with a slip knot first, and then chain 2. And because this is double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook back into the first chain, into 2 loops, yarn over, pull yarn up, yarn over, pull through 1 to make a chain at the bottom. And then we're going to make a double crochet. So to make a double crochet, you yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 again. So that's the first double crochet. I'm going to insert back into the bottom chain here, yarn over to prepare for a double crochet, insert your hook in the bottom chain into 2 loops, yarn over, pull yarn up, yarn over, pull through 1 to chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2 again to make a double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook in the bottom chain here, 2 loops, yarn over, pull yarn up, chain 1 first, make a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is how you make a foundation double crochet.